So class 8, today we are going to solve question number 6. Question number 6, they said find the reciprocal of, say within bracket it is written 8 by 11 raised to the power 2, then within third bracket it is given raised to the power minus 5 into 11 by 8 raised to the power minus 12. So we have to find the reciprocal of this. So say written 8 by 11 raised to the power 2, then bracket close, again raised to the power minus 5 into 11 by 8 raised to the power minus 2. So next step will be write the base 8 by 11. Now what we will do, 2 into minus 5, power will multiply 2 into minus 5 into again the base 11 by 8, then raised to the power minus 12. 8 by 11, next step 8 by 11 base will write 8 by 11, 2 5s are 10 and minus, so minus 10 into, then again it is given next base is 11 by 8, then raised to the power minus 12. So in the question it is asked to find the reciprocal of 8 by 11. So what is the reciprocal of 8 by 11? It is 11 by 8, minus is there, so minus will be removed. What we have done, it is 8 by 11 raised to the power minus 10. So this portion we have reciprocal the value, so it will become 11 by 8 and this minus will be removed. So it will be 11 by 8 raised to the power 10 into 11 by 8 raised to the power minus 12. Now base is same, so one time we can write 11 by 8. This one is multiplication maths, so what we can do, the power we will add, so 10 plus, then within bracket minus 12. The next step, base will write 11 by 8, then power 10 plus minus minus, then 12. Again next step will be 11 by 8, 10 minus 12 is 2, which one is greater, 12, so minus sign is there, so we will put one minus. Now see question number 7. If 3 raised to the power 2y plus 1 divided by 9 is equal to 27, find y. So we have to find the value of y. So same thing we will write. Now see what is our smallest base. Our smallest base is 3 and it is 9 and it is 27. So 9, what do you know, 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. So 3 square you can write. So next step, see 3 raised to the power 2y plus 1 divided by 3 square equal 27. 27 means 3 into 3 into 3 makes 27. So this we can write as 3 raised to the power 3. So what I have written, 3 raised to the power 3. Now see base is same. So one time you can write 3, divide, so power we will subtract. So what I have written, 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1, divide is there, so power will be subtracted, minus, then this 2 equal 3 raised to the power 3. 3, 2y plus minus minus, so from 2 we will deduct 1, so our answer will be 1. Which one is greatest? 2 is greatest, minus sign is there, so we will place minus. 3 raised to the power 2y minus 1 equal to 3 raised to the power 3. Now see base is same, so we can cancel it. So this 3 and this 3 got cancelled. Left hand side 3 and right hand side 3 got cancelled. So what is remaining? 2y minus 1 equal 3. 2y, so from left hand side this minus 1 will go to right hand side, so it will become plus. So what I have written, 2y equal to 3. So from left hand side it will go to right hand side, so minus 1 will become plus 1. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. So next step I have written y equal to 3 plus 1 is 4 and this 2 will go down in denominator. Then cancel it, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. So what is the value of y? The value of y is